Before Hangul. Before Hangul was invented, Koreans are used two languages. Their spoken language was Korean, but their written language was Classical Chinese. As this was the only script available to them, at first, Korean adopted only the Chinese characters, which referred to proper nouns such as the names of people, villages, rivers, mountains, and so on. Later, they began to write whole sentences in Chinese. The use of Chinese for writing was far from ideal because Chinese and Korean are very different languages. In Chinese, word order is rigid, and the verb is placed directly after the subject.